Hey guys, this is Abhi from ProfileBot. Highly targeted leads can either make your business, or if you don't have them, it can make your life miserable. Instagram is the hottest ticket out there with each and every user and business on it. Now, thanks to Instagram, finding new customers could have never been easier. Now, let's see how can you get new customers? Like, what are the different ways? If you're a digital marketing agency, the followers of this competitor marketing agency, these are the leads which you want to capture. Or you can get the likers and commenters of a post. If you know the specific post, you can get the likers. Wow. And you can get the commenters, people who are commenting on this post. These are the leads which you want to capture. If you have a new cooking book or like some kitchen products which you want to sell, so for hashtag home cooking, people would be really, really interested to buy it. Or let's say if you have a specific business which is at a specific location, people who are posting at that location, these are your targeted leads. Now pick the best strategy which works and get this immense and powerful data. There are millions of users and hashtags on Instagram. Get creative and get extremely targeted email leads. Now we don't need any proxy, no multiple accounts. All you need is just one Instagram account which should be logged in. Super easy to use, great interface, and get great leads in record time. Now let's see how to get that. Let's see how to install ProfileBud Chrome extension. So to install ProfileBud, all you got to do is just go to Google and enter ProfileBud. You can either go to ProfileBud Chrome Store or like you can go to profilebud.com and from there go to ProfileBud Chrome Store. So ProfileBud is a Chrome extension, which means to use this, all you need to have is just a Chrome browser. It doesn't matter if you're on Windows or if you're on Mac or if you're on Unix. All you should have is just Chrome and it should work. So that's it. Now let's click on Add to Chrome. Yes. And that's it. This has been added to Chrome. Now click on this extensions icon and like just pin it to the bar. Now to use ProfileBud, just click on this extension. And that's how easy is it to install ProfileBud. Now make sure you're logged into Instagram.com, like with any one of your one account to use ProfileBud. If you're not logged in, ProfileBud won't work. Now let's see how to get the data. Now once you install ProfileBud and you're logged into Instagram on Chrome, this is what you get. Now using ProfileBud is very simple. It just has two simple steps. The first is targeted users extractor. This helps you to target the users from Instagram via these five strategies, like how you want to target the users. Now, the second step is the email extractor. For each and every targeted user, it gets their website, it gets their emails if it's present, it gets a follower and following counts, like how many followers and followings do they have. It gets an engagement rate for the past 12 posts. It gets a phone number if it's available. It gets the post locations and much more. So pretty much any data for the user which is on the Instagram, this email extractor, this detailed extractor will extract all that data. And how do you get the users? This is done by targeted users extractor. That's how you target them. Now let's see. Let's click on this. Like let's go for the step one. It has 6 different ways on by which we can extract the users. You can extract the followings of your own account or like your competitor account. You can get the top likers and commenters of any user. You can get the likers and commenters of a specific post, like people who are liking and commenting that post. You can get people who are posting with a specific hashtag. So if you are a specific business, you know your niche specific hashtags. Like you know what's your genre is, and like you can get the users from that. If your business is location dependent, you can get the people who are posting at a specific location. And the last is you can get the dead followers for any account. Now, my use case is I want to get the affiliates for my product. And so I got this post and it had like about 417 likes and like a lot of comments. So I want to target these people. So I'll just copy this link and go to ProfileBot and go to the specific post likers commenters. So it depends, like, out of these, any six, you can choose like whatever works for you. You can make a mix match, and like depends on your genre, depends on your niche. You can see like what works the best for you. So I'll just copy paste this link here and get me the likers and commenters. Okay, press submit. Okay, so this is getting me the people. Okay, wow. So it has got like it got 474 people. So these are the likers and commenters of this post. Now I'll just download these likers and download these commenters. Now this is the step one. Like, you know, all I got to do is just open this sheet, and all I'm interested in this first username column, because this username goes into the email extractor. I really don't care about this other data. If you want, like, you can just use this data. But for the email extraction and for detailed analysis, all we need is this username section. Like, this is what we need. And from each and every one of these specific extract targeted user ways, each and every specific strategy, it'll get you pretty much this sheet. So all we care about is the usernames column here, like this column. So all we got to do is just copy this first, like, just copy this whole column. And this is what we'll use in the email extractor. Now this sheet can be opened up, like, the sheet which is being downloaded. This is a CSV sheet. You can open this with Excel. You can open this with Numbers for Mac, or like you can open this with Google Sheets. So just open the sheet, just get this first column and put them into the email extractor in the next step. Now let's see how to do that. Now let's see how to get the email analysis or detailed analysis for the list of users which we download from the step one. So from the step one, you get sheets like something like this. So like this is the sheet which we got for the liked users. If you do a hashtag analysis, like I did for hashtag nature, people who are posted with hashtag nature, this is the sheet which I got. So if you see in all of these sheets, or like if you want to go for following analysis, so this is the sheet which I got. The one thing common in all of them is like the first column is the username column. And this is the column which we are interested in for the email analysis. So all we got to do is just copy this column, come to profile part, open this email extractor, and paste all these users here. So I've just like pasted just 280 users for reference, but you can put like about 10,000 users here. So that's it. Press submit. Now select the fields which you want to download for each and every user. So for each and every user, you can get the post count, how many posts do they have, what is their public email, if they have like mentioned it in their bio, or if they are a business account, what is their engagement rate for the last 12 posts, if they have written any phone number, the country code, which city do they belong to, what is their bio, what is their followers count, what is their following count, if they have mentioned any link in their account, like which is their website, if they are a business account, what is their business category, and like all these things. Now just click on next, and that's it. Let this email extractor detailed analysis do its job for you. So right now the speed is like you can put 10,000 users here, and within 3 to 4 hours it will do the complete analysis for them. So what I do is I just put 10,000 users at the night and just keep the laptop running, and when I wake up after 5-6 hours, the whole analysis is done. You don't need any VPN, nothing. We manage everything at our end. All you need is just one Instagram account. That's it. And out of those 10,000 users, it depends how many emails you can get. The average takeaway rate is about 10 to 30%. So for 10,000 users, you can get about 1,000 to 3,000 emails. This depends a lot on the genre, like, how you have like what, like, is this more of a business related thing? Generally for digital marketing, affiliate marketing, you get much more people with emails. But if you look for meme pages, the takeaway is like generally less, like about 7 to 10%. But still, all you got to do is just put more data here, and you can get more and more emails. So This is something really interesting called as filters. Now you can filter how you want to download the data. You only want to download people who have emails. So like so far we have found 21 people, 22 people with emails. Or you can download, like you want to download people with email who have following greater than, let's say, 10, and who have followers, let's say, greater than 200. So these are 20 people. Is it a business account? Yes. So like you can just mix and match and like just download the conditional data, or like you can like download the full data from here. Now let this process continue, and by the time it continues we can have like good enough data. Let's wait and watch. So I did the email analysis of 273 users, and within 3 or 4 minutes, I did the whole analysis, and it gave me 54 emails. So all I can do is just download this data. I'll set the filter as is email true, and I'll download this conditional data. Cool, this is downloaded. Now, as soon as I open this file, let's just look at this file. So you can see it has like a lot of data. It has their what is their full name, which they have mentioned, how many followers do they have, how many following do they have. This is their public email, which they have either mentioned it in the bio or which they have mentioned it in the email button. So if you look at it closely, like, you'll see those are the personal emails. Like most of them are Gmail, Hotmail. So quite a lot of them are personal emails. This is their engagement rate of their account based on the last 12 posts. This is the website which they gave. How many posts do they have? What type of business account do they have? If they have written any phone number in this. Wow. The city, if they have mentioned link to their account and other data. So you can use this to find the right influencers for your business, because this data doesn't lie. You know what is their engagement rate. You know what are their following counts. You know how much do they post, and you know their public email. So instead of reaching them out, messaging them, you can just drop them a mail on a mass level. Apart from that, like you can also use this data for cold emailing. So if you see, like, you have got their emails, you have got their contacts, and a lot of other information which you can use to reach them on really personal level. So send them out a mail, introduce yourself, and get more customers. Like the possibilities of this are endless. Another use case would be to make the perfect lookalike audience while doing Facebook targeted advertising. So we have got a lot of emails, right? And when you do Facebook targeted advertising, there's an option where you can add the emails to make the perfect lookalike audience for you. So you can save a few days of ad money and time and find the perfect audience by just telling Facebook directly to make the lookalike audience based on these emails. So, like, bam, a lot of time and money saved. That's pretty much it about Profile Bot. You can get immense data. You don't need any proxies. You don't need any multiple accounts. Within a day, you can get so much data. You can just boost your business. We give a free trial where you don't have to pay us anything, and you can download about 2000 email extractor users and get about 200 to 400 emails. And you can see, like, if this is really working out for you. And if it works out, just go for the different plans which we have. All the best for your business, and like reach out to us if you have any queries. Like there's this support 24/7. Like if you don't understand anything or you're stuck somewhere, something is not working for you, we're always there on support. Just drop us a hi, and yeah, that's it. Like we will answer you.